5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
IMPLS Launch Systems. I'm here to tell you a little bit about our high-power launch controllers, the HPR series, the HPR 1, 3, and 5. I'm going to walk you through the special features. One of the key differences with the HPR series controllers is the larger paddle of the launch controller. I brought along a regular fiber to show you that the HPR controllers have a larger paddle. This is to accommodate 50-foot, 100-foot, or 300-foot extension cables to the controller. Another key feature is that the arm siren is much louder. And this is so that you can hear it from a greater distance. Everyone should be aware, especially with high-power rockets, that a rocket is about to launch, and we think this siren is a great way to do that. The principles here are simple. We use the same components, the same craftsmanship to create all of these launch controllers. They're extremely durable. They're built of very tough, water-resistant parts. They should stand up to many years of use. The HPR 1 is our least expensive controller. All of the HPR controllers include banana jacks that you can easily replace the damaged launch leads by simply unscrewing it, resecuring your wire, poking it through a hole, and twisting it back down. For the HPR 3, you'll notice that on the console here we have write-in blanks. We include a wax pencil that you can use to write in your pad positions. This is in case you have a larger launch range where you have multiple racks of pads set up. So you can write in 41, 42, 43, whatever is appropriate for your range. The HPR 5, the same deal, 100-foot or 300-foot launch cable. Write in your pad numbers on the console. The wax pencil is included, and the banana jacks are all neat and orderly, and they're numbered so that you know which leads go to which pad. This is our HPR series of launch controllers. Please come check us out at IMPLSLaunch.com. And remember, IMPLS Launch, clean, simple, reliable. Thanks. IMPLS Launch Systems.